The maintenance requirements of cranes are determined by the manufacturer of the piece of equipment. There's daily maintenance, yearly maintenance, monthly maintenance, annual maintenance that are required by the manufacturer for different components of the equipment. Cranes require regular maintenance based on a lot of parameters. OSHA requires maintenance based on how many hours and how many lifts are made on a crane on a daily basis. There's normal, severe, those different types. Manufacturers require maintenance on hydraulics and hoist rope and different aspects of the crane usage, daily usage of the crane.